SOP or procedure for cafe latte. Do check our SOP for cafe opening if you have not already done so. Before we start, number 1. Milk. Pour milk into the milk pitcher in advance. You need to fill the pitcher to a minimum of 40% to a maximum of 60% for best result. Use a 12-ounce mortar pitcher for an 8-ounce cup or a 17-ounce mortar pitcher for a 14-ounce cup. Use a pitcher size that best suits your needs. Use cold, fresh milk if possible against UHT milk, as the quality of frothed milk is way better. Keep the milk cold at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Portafilter. A good espresso according to the Italian standard is at 92 degrees Celsius. Therefore, always keep your portafilter in the group head. This extraction temperature will drop if you should leave your portafilter elsewhere, because the heat from the extraction will be transferred from the coffee to the room temperature portafilter. Making cafe latte. Clean, wipe, grind coffee. Remove excess coffee. Flush. This step is extremely important to ensure just a little bit of coffee leaves the group head. The reason why is because if you leave the machine idle for a while, due to gravity, the water from the group head will drain, leaving the pipes empty. This will affect the volume of water dispensed from your group head. Do not overflush. An espresso machine is designed to dispense 30 ml of espresso each time. Therefore, keep that in mind and try not to flush more than 30 ml. Portafilter in. Cups. Try to get your espresso extraction to the range of 20 to 30 seconds on a 30 to 35 ml volume per shot. Milk pitcher. Place your pitcher on a tray and leave it there. Try not to move your pitcher during this frothing process. Stop once the milk is sufficiently hot. Wipe. Flush. Always wipe and flush after you use the frother. Cafe latte done. Remember to spin the pitcher before you pour your frothed milk. Try to have a solid wood surface for knocking the milk pitcher for better results. You may want to consider purchasing a slab of solid wood if you do not have a wooden tabletop. Do refer to our other videos to learn how to do latte art on your cafe latte. This SOP is specifically designed for cafes in Malaysia based on coffee beans roasted in Italy and the brand of coffee machines that we supply. This SOP is also meant to act as a guide for new cafe managers and the owners, and in no way meant to be an absolute rule, especially to the more experienced.
Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and peace is fine.